But the fact of the matter is, I've never been in the senior center with so many folks here, so happy to be at the center that they come to. And a center that has to expand because they can't fit the amount of people that want to come to the center. And the center, of course, would not be the center that it is today if it wasn't for the hard work and dedication of Peter Cardillo. And it was well put earlier when Barbara said, a man is only as good as a strong woman that is behind him and guided him throughout the way. So I thank you, Provenza, for all the work that you've done and your love that I know grows deeply every day to one another. It's remarkable. I want to just read a few lines from the proclamation here, and I know that there are a few others that are going to speak. But wedding anniversaries provide special opportunities to reaffirm and celebrate the significance of marriage as a binding public commitment between two individuals that strengthens the foundations for families, children, and for communities. Peter and Provenza were married in 1941, and over the course of 70 years of matrimony, their love for one another has continued to grow in both depth and dimension. Their marriage has been blessed with 2 children, Joseph, who is in heaven looking upon you today, and Kathleen, 3 grandchildren, Francine, who is also in heaven with Joseph, Madeline, and Tony Ann, and 3 great